Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video and that you are here. So today we did a beautiful gold bronze look with a pinky nude lip, I guess you could say. A very matte lip. So this is the look that we did. I'm obsessed with it. I love the bronze tones that I am getting from this look. It is so gorgeous. So if you want to see how I accomplished this look, then just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and did this eye. I haven't put a lash on because it won't stop watering, and every time I go to put the lash on it just like waters off. So anyway, so we're going to do this eye look, and we used the brand new 35G bronze goals from Morphe. This palette is freaking gorgeous. So that's what she looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and threw on my tape because this is how I get my precise line with my liner, for my liner, because I suck at eyeliner. But I went ahead and did my brows too. I completely forgot to tell y'all. I used the NYX eyebrow gel in the shade Blonde, and I just filled them in really nicely. And so now we're going to do this eye. Okay, so I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 101. It's just a blending brush, and I'm going to go in with, let me turn this shade right here, which is called Sandy, and we are going to start transitioning it from the outer V all the way into the inner corner because we are doing a halo eye. I can't talk. Okay, so now taking the Morphe M441 blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this lighter, or it's darker than what we just used, but it's basically still a light brown. And it's called Nekked, and we are just going to put it basically in the same spot. And this is how we are going to deepen up everything to get to that darker shade. These shadows blend together so perfectly, and it takes like no blending time. I love how blendable they are, I guess. Still using the M441, I'm going to go in with this coppery shade, and it's called Record Temps. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Concealer, Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour, and I'm in the shade C4, and I'm going to take this flat BH Cosmetics brush, number 9, it came in a brush set, and we're just going to cut a partial, like, center halo cut crease. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush. And then we're just going to take it, and I'm going to do that. We have that cut, so now I'm going to go in with this golden shade on my finger. It's called Raise. It looks like that, and we're just going to pack this right on top of it. I feel like you get the best application with your finger rather than a flat brush, so that's what I like to do. Okay, so I don't know how to say this eyeliner. I'm just going to list it down below because I literally will butcher it if I try to say it. But this is a liquid felt tip. So we're going to do a wing.
Hey guys! It's gonna be in the video?
Yeah.
They can see my dimple.
You're so lame. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the wings, so now we're going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes a little. Alright, so now we're going to go in with these Ardell Lashes in 253. They're the lashes that I've been loving, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw these on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm going to take this Apple Lip Plumper. I got it off Amazon, I think. I will find a link and link it for y'all. But it looks like this, and I'm going to plump my lips for about 10 to 15 minutes. So We'll let it sit for probably 2 minutes. They look really crazy, but it's not going to be that bad by the time that they chill out. So I'm going to go in with the Nature by Nature Flat Matte Perfecting Primer, and we're just going to put this all over our face. So I use about 4 pumps. That may sound like a lot, but it's not. So I've never done this, but we're just going to give it a try. I'm going to go back in with the concealer from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to put it under my foundation because I do have like a lot of acne going on, and I just want to get it all covered. Okay, so that's probably too much concealer, but it's okay. So I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics brush number 5. Again, came in a brush set, and we're just going to blend this concealer in. Okay, so now we're going to do foundation, and I'm going to combine these two babes. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation in the shade 2.5. And then the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F5. So this one's a little dark, this one's a little light. They'll cancel each other out. My tan is pretty much gone, so this is going to be pretty much perfect match. So we're just going to pop those on my face. So I'm going to take that same BH Cosmetics brush and just kind of blend everything in. Okay, so I'm going to take the Real Techniques blender and pack it all in. I took this Ciate setting powder. It's called Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and this is just from Ciate London. It is a sample size because I got it in Ipsy, and I went ahead and baked all over my face. So now I'm going to take this NYC powder and set the rest of my face. This is in the shade Naturally Beige 001. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the Unique Beachfront Bronzer in the shade Malibu, which is the darkest shade, and I'm going to go ahead and just contour. Okay, so now we are bronze pretty much all the way up. So I'm going to go in with the very messy Coty Airspun, and I'm going to take the angled side of this blender and just carve out my contour. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to go in with the Moodstruck Powder Blush in the shade Serene from Unique. It is a highlighter and blush in one, so it has gold flakes of luminizer in it. And I'm going to take this IT Cosmetics blush brush and just put some on. Okay, so I'm going to take this powder brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 1. This came in a brush set, and we're just going to dust away. Went ahead and did my lower lash line and did my mascara. So this is the finished eyes completely, and I put highlight on my brow and my inner corner. This is the highlight that I use for my brow and my inner corner, and so we're going to quickly do some highlight on my cheekbones and my nose. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and I'm using the shade Center. Okay, so for lips, we are going to do a little combination. So I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Nude Pink. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. So you could easily leave this really pretty pink, but I'm going to go in with a liquid lipstick from ColourPop. I don't know the name because it doesn't have it, so I'm going to try and find it, and I will put it down below if you want to know. So we're just going to go ahead and put this on. Okay, to make sure this look lasts all day and doesn't go anywhere, we're going to go in with setting spray. Again, this is the same setting spray that I always use. It's from Unique, the Touch Behold setting spray. It is so good, and I have like this much left, so I'm probably going to use it for like the rest of my life. But anyways, let's set this face. Okay, so I went ahead and let my hair down. I did some loose curls today just to add a little bit of elegance to this look. I'm probably going to go in and put some more tighter ones in, but so this is my hair and the finished look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe because all of my beautiful subscribers are going to be seeing a giveaway very, very soon. So if you want to make sure you don't miss out on that, then go ahead and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload, you will be notified. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. This palette is to die for. If you don't have it, you need it. I'm going to do so many good looks with this and I can't wait. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, like I say 7 million times. I will see you guys in my next video. Please comment down below what your favorite part was. Bye, guys.